So this is our manufacturing area. You can see effectively a mix of technologies, with some of the barcode scanning for perhaps scanning components, building them up so we know what items have gone into which build. You may combine that with a bit of RFID. More and more components and items are coming into the supply chain these days with RFID enabled, and you want to be able to read that and reprint. Also, you can see on the table over here some yellow surrounds and some tags. These are location supporting tags, so I can actually send messages for new equipment to be sent to certain location cells. I can find out what items are in what kit bins and where those kit bins are using the RFID location services. So this next area is our warehousing zone. There's a number of different changes happening within warehousing these days. Of course, everybody should be familiar with wearable technologies, and here we've got WT6000 and the RS6000. Of course, this allows hands-free picking, which is particularly clever and keen when I'm using small items. I need to be able to reach in and grab something. I also confirm that, and I can confirm by using LED different colours on the back here, potentially matching colours of items I want to pick. Of course, as then technology moves forward, we're moving into actually picking by zone and using, again, RFID. These shelves are enabled, so I know what items are on which particular shelf. So my PDA or even a headset can tell me to go to a certain location and see the location labels, and then tell me how many units to pick. We can also provide other visual stimulus to people, whether it be through next technologies around using heads-up displays to guide people to the right pick location, and even by looking at the box, highlight the box that I want to pick. You'll hear more about heads-up displays in 2019. So within this particular zone, we're simulating a dock door. The technology that we're displaying here is effectively, by the use of camera technology and other sensors, the efficiency of packers packing a trailer. Of course, every truck and haulage company wants to be the most efficient in their loading. And using the cameras and the sensors you can see here on the video, we can monitor what boxes are fitted into the back of the trailer. That then allows us to calculate whether that loader is efficient. Most trucks these days are carrying around 40 to 50% air through poor packing. And therefore, as you can see, we can analyse and provide information to the supervisor of the warehouse on that efficiency of pick and pack. So in this case, he's got, what's that, 20 dock doors, 15 dock doors, and he's showing the accuracy of pack and pick. The red alerts mean there's a problem. It could be 6 minutes till that van is due to disappear, or it could be that there's a problem with the pick efficiency within the vehicle itself. As you can see from the image up there, it's not packed particularly well, and therefore they'd be less efficient in the shipping department.